Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Student Shofar. I hope you all are doing best. This is the second part of previous year question paper of CBI APP 2017. If you did not watch first part of this video, you can watch this by clicking the link given in the description. Before starting the video, I request to all of you, please subscribe the channel and also join our Telegram channel. And without wasting time, let's start the video. Yesterday, we have discussed about total 30 questions and now we are starting from the question number 31. And question number 31 is, the Chief Judicial Magistrate is empowered to pass which one of the following sentences? Option number A, sentence of imprisonment not exceeding 7 years. Option number B, sentence for life imprisonment. Option number C, death sentence. Option number D, sentence of imprisonment exceeding 7 years. And correct option number A, sentence of imprisonment not exceeding 7 years. Next, question number 32. Warrant case does not mean a case relating to an offense punishable with option number A, imprisonment for a term exceeding 10 years. Option number B, imprisonment for life. Option number C, death. Option number D, imprisonment for 2 years. And correct option number D, imprisonment for 2 years. Next, question number 33. When alteration of charge is permissible as per the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Option number A, after the judgment is pronounced. Option number B, before the judgment is pronounced. Option number C, after filing of appeal. Option number D, before the filing of appeal. And correct option number B, before the judgment is pronounced. Next, question number 34. A report made by a police officer in a case which disclosed. After investigation, the commission of a non-cognizable offence shall be deemed to be a option number A, police report. Option number B, complaint. Option number C, final report. Option number D, charge sheet. And correct option number B, complaint. Next, question number 35. Who among the following is authorized to issue a warrant to search for a document, parcel, or other things in the custody of the Postal or Telegraph Authority? And correct option is option number D, 1 and 4, Chief Judicial Magistrate and District Magistrate. Next, question number 36. For which one of the following offences section 357C of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 does not ensure the medical treatment free of cost to the victims? Option number A, offences under section 326A of the Indian Penal Code 1860. Option number B, offences under section 354A of the Indian Penal Code 1860. Option number C, offences under section 376A of the Indian Penal Code 1860. Option number D, offences under section 376E of the Indian Penal Code 1860. And correct option number B, offences under section 354A of the Indian Penal Code 1860. Next, question number 37. In which one of the following offences cognizance shall be taken by the court only by a complaint made by some person aggrieved by the offence? Option A, rape. Option B, theft. Option C, criminal breach of trust. Option D, offences relating to marriage. And correct option number D, offences relating to marriage. Next, question number 38. When the property seized by a police officer is not produced before the court during the inquiry or trial, the property for disposal shall be governed by which one of the following sections of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Option A, section 454. Option C, section 455. Option C, section 457. Option D, section 458. And correct option number C, section 457. Next, question number 39. What is the period of limitation prescribed under the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 for filing a suit by a aggrieved person to establish his right or claim in respect of property in dispute in case his claim is disallowed by the court which ordered for the attachment of the property? Option number A, 3 months. Option number B, 6 months. Option number C, 1 year. Option number D, 3 years. And correct option number C, 1 year. Next question, who among the following is competent to set aside a declaration of forfeiture of certain publications under section 95 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? And option A, magistrate issuing the search warrant. Option B, chief judicial magistrate as chief metropolitan magistrate. Option C, court of sessions. Option D, high court. Correct option is option number D, high court. Next question number 41. When any person has reason to believe that he may be arrested on any accusation of having committed a non-bailable offences, he may apply to High Court or the Court of Sessions for a direction under Section 438 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 that in the event of such arrest he may be released on bail. The court may on such application issue direction. Option number A, not to arrest until further order. Option number B, to release the person without taking him in custody. Option number C, in the event of such arrest he may be released on bail. Option number D, in the event of such arrest he may be released on bail after 3 days. And correct option number C, in the event of such arrest he may be released on bail. Next question number 42. Which one of the following offences is a cognizable offences? Option number A, wantonly giving provocation with intent to cause riot if rioting be committed. Option number B, owner or occupier of land not giving information of riot. Option number C, person for whose benefit a riot takes place not using all lawful means to prevent it. Option number D, agent of honor for whose benefit a riot is committed not using all lawful means to prevent it. And correct option is option number A, wantonly giving provocation with intent to cause riot if rioting be committed. And next question 43. Which one of the following offences is cognizable and non-bailable under the Indian Penal Code 1860, the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Option A, violation of condition of remission of punishment. Option number B, printing of a proceeding without prior permission of court. Option number C, personations of a juror or assessor. And option number D, disclosure of identity of a victim of rape. And correct option number A, violation of condition of remission of punishment. And next question 44. What is the punishment for a second or subsequent conviction in voyeurism? And option A, shall not be less than 1 year but may extend to 3 years of imprisonment and fine. Option B, shall not be less than 3 years but may extend to 7 years of imprisonment and fine. Option number C, shall not be less than 5 years but may extend to 10 years of imprisonment and fine. Option number D, shall not be less than 7 years but may extend to 10 years of imprisonment and fine. And correct option number B, shall not be less than 3 years but may extend to 7 years of imprisonment and fine. Next question number 45. In which one of the following cases the right of private defense does not extend of causing of death of the aggressor? Option A, in a assault with intention of kidnapping. Option B, in a assault with intention of abduction. Option number C, in a assault with intention of outragging the modesty of a woman. Option number D, in a assault with intention of gratifying unnatural lust. And correct option number C. Next question number 46. Against whom among the following the offense of abduction is committed? Option number A, woman. Option number B, child below the age of 18 years. Option number C, child below the age of 12 years. Option number D, any person. And correct option number D, any person. Next 47. Which one of the following is the punishment for repeat offenders of rape? Option number A, imprisonment for a period not less than 10 years but up to imprisonment for life. Option number 2, imprisonment for a period not less than 20 years but up to imprisonment for life. Option number C, imprisonment for life or death. Option number D, imprisonment for life, which shall mean imprisonment for the remainder of that person's natural life or with death. And correct option number D, imprisonment for life, which shall mean imprisonment for the reminders of that person's natural life or with death. Next, question number 48. Jed was in possession of certain ornaments and money at the time of her death. A. Her servant intentionally converted them for his own use before it has been in the possession of persons legally entitled for the same. A. Has committed which one of the following offences under the Indian Penal Code 1860? Option A, theft under section 379. Option B, theft under section 382. Option C, dishonest misappropriation of property under section 403. Option number D, dishonest misappropriation of property under section 404. And correct option number D, dishonest misappropriation of property under section 404. Next question 49. The Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013 contains certain provisions relating to offences against women as recommended by option number A, Sri Krishna Committee. Option number B, Verma Committee. Option number C, Sarkaria Commission. Option number D, Malimath Committee. And correct option number B, Verma Committee. Next question number 50. Justice Melville J. decision in R.V. Govinda BLR 1876 is a leading authority on law relating to option number A, objective liability for murder. Option number B, murder under grave and sudden provocation. Option number C, murder in the course of sudden fight. Option number D, distinction between culpable, homicide and murder. And correct option number D, distinction between culpable, homicide and murder. Next question number 51. In which one of the following cases Justice Vivan Bose laid down the law relating to murder under clause thirdly of section 300 of Indian Penal Code 1860? Option number A, Rajwant Singh versus State of Kerala. Option number B, Anda versus State of Rajasthan. Option number C, Virsa Singh versus State of Punjab. Option number D, State versus Punnaya. And correct option number C, Virsa Singh versus State of Punjab. And next question 52. Which one of the following section of the Indian Penal Code 1816 does not attract punishment to a public servant who failed to record any information given to him under subsection 1st of the section 154 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Option A, section 326A. Option B, section 376A. Option C, section 363. Option D, section 509. And correct option number C, section 363. Next question 53. Printing or publishing of the name or any matter which may make known the identity of the victim of the offences under section 376, 376A, 376B, 376C, 376D or section 376E of the Indian Penal Code 1860 is not permissible if the option A, investigation officer by order in writing permit to do so. Option number B, victim has given authorization in writing. Option number C, next kin of the minor victim has given authorization in the writing. Option number D, authorization is given by the next kin to his close friend in writing. And correct option number D, authorization is given by the next kin to his close friend in writing. And next question number 54. In which one of the following cases did the Supreme Court given guidelines for the constitution of Family Welfare Committee by the District Legal Service authority to look into the complaints filed under Section 498A of IPC? Option A, Rajesh Sharma and other versus State of Uttar Pradesh and another. Option number B, Preeti Gupta and another versus State of Jharkhand. Option number C, Arnesh Kumar versus State of Bihar and another. Option number D, K. Srinivas Rao versus D.A. Deepa. Correct option is option number A, Rajesh Sharma and other versus State of Uttar Pradesh and another. Next question number 55. Which one of the following statement for the offense of criminal conspiracy is not correct? Option A, two or more persons agreed to do an illegal act. Option number B, meeting of minds is an essential ingredient. Option number C, the act intended necessarily should take place. Option number D, it is immaterial whether the illegal act is ultimate object of such agreement or is merely incidental to the sub-object. And correct option number C, the act intended necessarily should take place. And next question number 56. Which one of the following kinds of hurts is not designated as grievous? Option number A, emasculation. Option number B, the sufferer is unable to follow his ordinary pursuit for a period of 2 weeks. Option number C, permanent disfiguration of the head or face. Option number D, fracture of a bone. And correct option number B, the sufferer is unable to follow his ordinary pursuit for a period of 2 weeks. Next question number 57. Which one of the following is not an exception for the offense of defamation? And correct option is option number B, to express in good faith any opinion whatever respecting the conduct of any person, touching any personal question, and respecting his character so far as his character appears in that conduct and no further. Next question number 58. X finds a valuable ring on the roadside. He sells it immediately without attempting to discover the owner. Which one of the following offenses X is guilty of? Option number A, criminal breach of trust. Option number B, cheating. Option number C, dishonest misappropriation of property. Option number D, theft. And correct option is C, dishonest misappropriation of property. Next question number 59. Which one among the following is a necessary ingredient to initiate prosecutions against the husband for the death of a married woman under Section 304B of the Indian Penal Code 1860? And the correct option is 59A. Option number A. Death caused the victim 7 years of her marriage. Next question number 60. In which one of the following cases did the Supreme Court strike down Section 303 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 as unconstitutional? Option number A, Bachchan Singh vs State of Punjab. Option number B, Machi Singh vs State of Punjab. Option C, Mithu vs State of Punjab. Option D, Dhananjay Chatterjee vs State of West Bengal. And correct option number C, Mithu vs State of Punjab. Guys, enough for today. Next part will be uploaded soon. Thanks for watching and please subscribe the channel.